Hi everyone. First of all, thank you so much for all your likes and comments on my last video. I really appreciate the support. I've had the house for about a week now, so I thought I'd just do another walk around and show you what we've got started on. First of all, this lawn, it was really overgrown when we arrived, so we got in with a strimmer and just got the lawn down to a slightly more manageable level. Hopefully we can start mowing that and keep on top of it, but for now it's a bit more under control than it was at least. Heading inside, we've started taking some of the front doors off the flats. Actually, just this one so far, I think. And that really opens the place out. And the other main focus has been on the flooring. So we've been pulling up laminate wood flooring all the way through the house. We've been pulling up carpet tiles, and we've taken the floor basically down to these wooden boards, which sit on top of the floorboards. There are a couple of places where the wooden boards are missing and we can see the original floorboards, which is quite cool. So basically, lots of rooms. We've just got the flooring out, stripped it back. We've started stripping some of the lining paper off the walls, but that's proved to be a bit of a hassle. Any good advice on how to get this really stuck lining paper off would be appreciated. This is the first bathroom we've started taking out. We've pulled the bathtub out. I'm really interested in this wall in particular because this is the wall, it's just a plasterboard wall that divides the two halves of the house. So if we can get this plasterboard out, then we should be able to really open the place out, which would be great. One thing I have kind of run into is that while I was taking this bathroom out, it became kind of obvious that the isolator valves aren't very good. And so I've called a plumber and I'm going to get him to isolate the entire house, just get all the water turned off. That way I can start really ripping things out without having to worry about water going everywhere. And this is the kitchen I've started, or just about finished pulling out. Taken out the sink, the kitchen units, and it's a real mess in here. Like there was just a hole in the plaster here, I don't know why, but it's quite interesting. There's a brick wall behind here and some lath and plaster over it. But as soon as the water and electrics are fully isolated, then I can really carry on a bit more with these kitchens and bathrooms. Heading upstairs. It's really just more of the same. We've been focusing on the flooring more than anything. So here's the bedroom where we've stripped out all the carpet tiles. We've also opened up this fireplace just to see what was inside. So the other side, very similar story. We've pulled up wood, laminate flooring, and that's revealed this sort of mixture of old and new floorboards underneath. And again, through here, some slightly better condition, original floorboards. You can really see in this kitchen the way the flooring's been layered up over the years. We've got floorboards, we've got vinyl tiles, and then laminate floorboards on top. One strange thing is that even though the house has wooden floorboards almost throughout, this one end seems to turn to concrete floor. I don't really know why that would be. Heading into the annex now, We don't really have any immediate plans for this space, so the priority has just been to clean it up and make it a bit safer. This room was absolutely full of mold before, so we've wiped all these walls down, used some mold killer on it. Hopefully it's just a bit nicer and safer in here. A couple of people on my last video commented about the possible dangers of asbestos, so I'm making an effort to wear a respirator now. Again, thank you so much for all your support so far. Please like this video if you're still interested, and I will post again soon.